Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the thermostat on this 2013 Ford Escape with the 2.0 EcoBoost turbocharged engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First we need to pop this cover off here. It sits on 4 ball sockets and you just have to pop them off. Then get a bucket or a pan or something that you can catch coolant with down here underneath your vehicle. Now we're going to take a pair of pliers and we are going to take this hose clamp right here. You're going to pinch that and pull it back so that we can pull this hose off. I find it helpful to move some of this stuff out of the way. So like unclip this hose, pull this attachment off, unplug this clip here, and unplug this clip right here. Pop this clip off from here, then you'll be able to push this wiring harness out of the way and get a little bit more room here. This hose will get pretty brittle with age, so just be careful how much you push on this. You can unhook it up here too if you want to give it a little bit more flexibility. Unplug this hose, pinch these two, and pull. And it's held on by a couple of connectors right here and right here. Just kind of set this off to the side right here. Be careful, this will get brittle with age. Now we can reach in here a little bit and you can twist and pull. I used a set of vice grips to pinch and hold that hose clamp open. Get yourself a long flat bladed screwdriver and you can stick it in here. And you can use this to pry right here while you're twisting the hose, and that'll help you be able to pull that off easier. Make sure you've got your bucket or pan here where you can catch all the coolant that's running down. Now we'll be able to get at this hose clamp here. Come in through here at this angle with your pliers. You'll be able to just kind of wiggle and twist it over like that. And then we can twist and pull that hose off there. Now we're going to use an 8mm to remove 3 bolts. We've got one right there. We've got one right here. The last one is right down here on the bottom driver's side corner of the thermostat. I used this combination to get the lower driver's side one. I'm just going to use a deep socket with no extension to do the ones on the top side. Once your thermostat breaks free, you'll get a new surge of coolant. Now you can just pull your thermostat housing and thermostat right up through here. I got a new thermostat online. I will have this link down below where you can get it online. So there's our new thermostat and housing. You can see this comes with a new gasket there, which is nice. So now let's just put it back into place and we'll start putting our bolts back in. You may want to just look at the mating surface where the gasket is going to go and just make sure that's clean. That way it seals well. When you're putting your screws back in, put all 3 of the bolts in before you start tightening them down and torquing them down, because you can get to where the housing is not set quite right and you won't be able to thread that last bolt in without loosening the other bolts anyway. Now that we've got those finger tight, we can re-torque them down and start replacing our hoses and putting our connectors and wiring back in place. That's pretty much all there is to it. When you're done here, you'll need to refill your coolant. You can do that right through this cap right here. Make sure when you're refilling with coolant to get something that mixes with all antifreeze types. I will have some link down in the description below. If you don't have a funnel that can reach out at an angle here, you can just pop this reservoir right out. It's held on by this clip and one on the back side. Just kind of wiggle and tug at it and it'll pop right up. Same on the back side. You can twist this over here and then you can fill it right there without a funnel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.